gone, man, gone. Look at that ball joint. Is that a shot brake pad?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We got bins here.
Yeah. They're supposed to be like, what, that? Something like that? Fuck, I need new brake pads.
Is it?
Both mine are that thin.
Why like that?
Yeah. Hurts. My ABS was out for a while, and then I finally fixed my ABS control module.
Yeah.
So I think it was, you know, it wasn't. Fit there. Alright, you're looking for the, here's the brake sensor, but if you're looking for the wheel speed sensor thing right here, trace it back up there. Right here. Push these out. Okay. Let's put the phone down. Connected. Alright. Now that's this. This thing is stuck. 20 years. cotter pin. Finally. This other cotter pin down here. This thing's shaved off.
You got some anti-seizures, lube shit services?
Yeah. That's a dollar store one.
That?
Dollar store one.
That.
I know. It's like fucking price. Oh, that went a lot better than the first time. Okay. Oh no. Got it. Into my head. Okay, now what size is that? Damn, that's like a 22. Sensor disconnect, yeah. Got this off. It's pretty loose. And I'm gonna go ahead and whack on this and make this come down. It's better than oil, I guess. Why is shit coming? Woo! There you go. Yeah. Get that on camera. Shit.
Excitement in your life, huh?
Sheesh. Customer states wheel vibration while driving. Think that's a bad ball joint, guy? Pretty fucked. Loads of debris. If I can find the fucking circlip that's in here. I think I see it, finally. There we go. See it down there. Oh yeah, this is gone, man, gone. Look at that ball joint. Sorry I did not get footage on that one, but maybe the next one. Basically beat the shit out of it. And put it through. And you get your ball joint in. Placeholder. That's what he calls it, a placeholder. It's non-existent ball joint. Here we go. The old one. That's coming in the socket. Trash. 2000 F150, so this would make it about you know, about 22 years old. And I'm pretty sure these are original OEM ball joints. Never been replaced. So I shoved a big old socket right here until I'm ready to put in the new one. I don't know if it's gonna make it easier or not. Just to kind of hold the space, and then I can just tap it out. I didn't force it. It was a pretty good fit. I think it's 32 millimeter. Just to hold it in. And metal from shrinking. Tigger and Tom back on YouTube. Trying to press this ball joint in. Sorry for the greasy camera. See better now. So I put the jack there. The wood wouldn't fit, so I just put this piece of paper. Hopefully it'll help not mar up that stud. Almost have it pressed in. There's more to go. I'm gonna put this on here. Try to hammer down on it with some leverage underneath. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Alright, got this ball joint halfway in. Kind of. Just need to get it to go down. And it's slowly going up, but I don't have the proper tools, so I'm just using a hammer and a blowtorch. I'm trying to get this to whack down with the support of the jack. So, let's see. Alright guys, started to get it in. It's the new one. Look at that. It's not moving. This one, flopsy daisy. Up and down. Baby rattler.